Welcome. In front of me is a ONEPLUS Nord CE, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now clearly you can see that the one that I have right here is locked, and I can use the pattern Google account to unlock it. And you can also see a little lock right here. So to get started with the bypass, you will need to have internet access. I already am connected, which you can see right here. And if I go back, you can see it right here that I am connected once it actually finds the info. There we go. So once you connect to your Wi-Fi, you want to back out to the first page right here, then select emergency call, emergency rescue, tap on that twice. And from here, we're gonna select add contact, select allow, let's say while using the app. Go to settings, and in here we're going to select see all apps with this permission, and from here I'm kind of reading as I go, so that's why I'm stumbling. I'm doing this for the first time, so bear with me. So select Chrome right here and see all Chrome permissions, and from here we are going to tap on the Chrome icon, select open, select thanks right here, and you can now navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. If you need a moment to write it down, pause the video. I think I wrote it incorrectly, so my bad. I think I wrote it incorrectly before, sorry for it, and it's still incorrect. There we go. Okay, I think it's written correctly now. Okay, let's go. And yep, there we go, that's the correct address. Just a little bit of a typo there. Anyway, from here, we are going to scroll down to settings, click on it, and in the settings, you're gonna go into apps and notifications. There we go. Then we're gonna select see all 42 apps, tap on the three dots and then select show system. And now we're looking for Google Play services in here. So there we go, Google Play services. Once you find it, select disable app, and force stop, and okay. And from here, we're gonna back out to the first page, or just back out to the setup screen overall. And there we go. And let's see. Okay, so let's just go through the setup right now. When I back out, to the Wi-Fi page, and I'm gonna see. Oh, there we go. Select setup offline. Hopefully that will work. Okay, so that was the problem. We needed to back out afterwards to the Wi-Fi page and set it up offline, which became an option after turning off Google Play services. So from here I'm gonna continue to skip everything. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on the home screen, which is where we want to be. And from here, you want to navigate into your settings. Scroll all the way down to System. Select Reset Options. Erase all data factory reset. Erase all data. And once you tap on, I believe, the confirm, or the next one, which is going to confirm it, the process will begin factory reset of the device. Now, I'm not going to go through it on the video, just because honestly, once I complete this, or once you press on the button overall, the process will be complete fully. It does go through the factory reset and it brings you back to the setup screen, but by factory resetting it right now through settings, it removes things like Google accounts, which does unlocks the device, because the device has no memory of the previous account at that point. So you do want to do it because the device is still locked right now, but when you confirm this and perform the factory reset, it goes back to being just unlocked, and you can set up the device however you like. So that's why I'm not going to go over this right here. So anyway, once you press that button, the bypass will be finished, and that is basically how you would go through it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.